Finally! I was so honored to receive this PR package from Jakarta, Indonesia to Manila, Philippines. Belixir Parfum.
Ooh.
So these are all high-end alternatives and they took their inspiration from mga LV fragrances. But it seems like may mga ibang kasama din dito na mga pabango that they took their inspiration sa designer or mga niche fragrances. Tara, unbox na natin to. Let's get started! This is Uranus. Ang bigat ng cup niya, ha? Okay.
Napakalinis, parang sabon. LV Meteor.
It's quite soapy. Leaning little bit citrusy but very light side. I quite like it. It's quite parang musky din siya. I would rate it 7 out of 10. Aris. Quite nice. It's more on lemony. It's quite parang gingery. May konting citrusy na may pagka-grapefruit but I don't like it that much but maganda siya pang office, pang masa. It's a very versatile scent in my opinion. Parang kahawig niya yung mga parang Chanel Allure style yung datingan niya. But not really familiar kung anong Chanel yung dinudupe niya. But I like it. But I would rate it mga 7 out of 10. This is Asteria. Elixir. Let's see what dupe it is. I really like how this blends. So far, ito yung nagustuhan ko. I really like this one. I really like how the citrus blends. It has that parang dark citrusy. Parang siya orangey but in a dark orangey style. It has that parang creamy, powdery texture. Wow! For me, first impression, 9 out of 10. Asteria. I'm loving this. Next one is Poseidon. Oh. It's quite spicy ginger at the opening. May pagka-lemony, citrusy. Very zesty. It's quite salty. Parang may pagka-aquatic feel. I like this one. For those mga spicy lovers, mga fresh scents out there, I think magugustuhan nyo to. Parang may pagka-similar siya sa parang afternoon swim yung datingan nito. Itong Poseidon. Lemony, orangey, na may pagka-ginger konti. And salty aquatic. Yeah, this is nice. So far, ito yung nagustuhan kong afternoon swim. I don't like yung mga ibang afternoon swim na mga dupes. I really like this one. For me, this one, I would rate it 8.5 out of 10. This is Morpheus. Initial blast pa lang, sobrang familiar na. It's like LV imagination talaga. It's a blast of parang black tea, soapy, lemon iced tea. It's cold. My God. Seryoso ka ba, Elixir? Are you serious? Mukhang may bagong kalabang ang Hershey at yung hectic Bujaraimi, ah. Pwede na ba? 10 out of 10. This is Demeter. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. I am a sucker of a very cold minty lemonade drink. Oh, this is a good dupe of Erjof Torino 21. Oh my God, wow. I like that grassy feel, that crushed mint, that vegetal effect, that ice cold dun sa loob ng baso. It's like a special treat for you inside the private yacht or let's say inside the beach or beside the beach. Yeah? Easily 9 out of 10. On to the next one. This is Icarus. Okay, this is 35 ml. Wala nang card kasama sa loob. Mhm. Oh my. Oh boy. Oh. Walang ya ka talaga. Oh my God. That fruity bubble gum of the pear, it's very present in here. So, sino bang magaling gumawa ng gantong klaseng scent? Siyempre, none other than Jordi Fernandez. Oh my God. This is a blue talisman dupe ng ex ni Hilo. It has that parang fruity bubble gum but hindi ganun masyado angat yung pagka-fruity bubble gum. It's just at the background. They really toned down that bubblegummy aspects to it. The pear is very present. It's very juicy. It's very succulent. It's musky. May pagka parang peppery oud combination that I think it's Akigala wood, but I don't think so they included Akigala wood here. Maybe it's just an accord that they're playing. So far, I'm enjoying this one. Mukhang may another kalaban na naman si Legacy from Mason Asrar. Icarus, you are on the top list. 9 out of 10. Next one is Galatea. Oh. Oh my God, ang sarap.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, I know this perfume. It's milky. It's very caramelly, sugary. Ah, okay. This is from the brand of Giardini di Toscani. Di Toscana or di Toscani? I don't know. It's Bianco Latte. But it doesn't have that rubber accord dito. It seems like they removed the rubber accord. For me, based on my dito sa test strip. Wow, this is a good blend of Bianco Latte. Mga Bianco Latte fans out there, I think you're going to enjoy this perfume, tong Galatea. And mukhang okay naman siya. Mukhang panalo naman at pasado naman. Nagiging parang mas nagiging gooey na yung caramel niya the more na naghihit na siya going to the mid. Okay. I like it. I like it. For me, 8.5 out of 10. Glad you enjoyed this unboxing and first impression of Velixir perfumes. Let me know in the comment section. Have you tried itong perfume nila? Which one is your favorite? And which one you would love me to review it here dito sa channel ko and give you guys my honest opinion about it. Till next time, like, comment, and follow for more contents. Till next time, love you all guys. Mwah!